you? Just to let you guys know, in my last video I said that I was gonna, wake up early and catch those cicadas, actually crawling up the tree, and coming out of their, shell. Well, I've been getting up at 5:30 every morning, and I also try getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning a couple of days. And I found out that, you know what? I can't find them coming out of the ground and climbing up on the tree. I tried that, it's just not happening. And the last 2 days have been rainy, so no cicadas or locusts coming out today. So what I'm going to do the rest of this summer until August 25th, I'm just going to sleep until 11 a.m. Because I don't want to get up early unless I have to. But with the cicadas, I said, you know what? It'll be a good, interesting nature video. So I might as well catch him climbing up the tree and coming out of the shell, but I couldn't. So yeah, that's basically it for that. That's all I wanted to let you guys know. And I was just thinking, you know what? Since it's early in the morning right now, or not that early, it's like almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon, I just realized, since it's summertime, and a lot of you guys are not in school or college, I just realized something. You guys are probably getting out of bed, rolling out of bed right now, and going on YouTube and watching my channel. So you're probably there in your PJs, watching me. And did you know I could see you? Yeah, you right there. You're wearing boxers. You went to bed last night just with boxers on. And you're just rolling out of bed. You're turning on the computer, watching me, just in your boxers. Hey, you're also there, watching me, too. Even, who knows, it could be night somewhere else in the world, and you guys could be just getting out of the shower. So, I can see you, whoever's getting out of the shower and watching this video. Well, that's going a little too far. Who knows, you could be, in your brawl and stuff and watching me. And I can see you right now. Or you guys could just be in your t-shirt, going to bed, and watching me right before you go to bed. I can see everything you do. Because you guys turn me on. Not turn me on that way. You guys turn me on your, computer. So, anytime you turn on any of my videos on the computer, I'm watching. I'm just kidding about that. But I'm glad that you guys watch me and all that stuff. Hey, I watch you guys. I watch your videos in my boxers before I go to bed. Alright? So you guys are not alone there. And that's all I have to say. Ben Wessler, out.